All right, we're given an equation of a line, and we're asked to find the equation of the line perpendicular to the given line and passing through the point 4, -1. Step 1, we are going to find m sub 1, that's the slope of the given line. Just write the equation 2x plus 5y equals 10 in slope-intercept form. So move the 2x over, you get 5y equals -2x plus 10. Now divide everything by 5, you get y equals -2/5 times x plus 10 divided by 5 is 2. Y equals mx plus b. Compare these two and we'll see that m sub 1 is equal to -2/5. Okay, step 2, since these two lines are going to be perpendicular, not parallel, but perpendicular, in this step we're going to find the second slope, the slope of the perpendicular line. And we know that this m sub 2 is going to have to be equal to the negative reciprocal, the negative upside down, of m sub 1. And that's because they're perpendicular. So that tells us that m sub 2 is equal to positive 5/2. See, that's the negative reciprocal of the previous slope, -2/5. Okay, step 3 is where we use the point slope form. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. And we're going to use that with m sub 2 equals positive 5/2. And the given point, x sub 1, y sub 1 equals 4, -1. Let's go ahead and plug that in. We got y minus the y coordinate, which is a negative number, -1, equals the slope 5/2 times the x coordinate, x minus the x coordinate, so it's x minus 4. Now let's go ahead and get this solution written in slope-intercept, point slope form. By, let's see, double negative, we'll clean that up. Y plus 1 equals 5/2 x minus 4. Now, I like to make things simple for myself by getting rid of the fractions. I don't like working with fractions, even though the answer might end up having fractions. So the LCD here is 2. I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 2, and I'm going to distribute it. That gives me 2y plus 2 equals, now here I'm going to multiply 2 times 5/2 times x minus 4, and we have an immediate cancellation of the 2's. So we have 2y plus 2 equals 5 times x minus 4. Distribute multiplication by 5. We get 2y plus 2 equals 5x minus 20. And now, move the 2 over to the other side. We get 2y equals 5x, and we had -20 minus 2 is -22. Now divide each term by 2, the coefficient here of y. We get y equals positive 5/2 times x minus 22 divided by 2 gives us -11. And we are finished. That is our slope-intercept form of the perpendicular line.